Hello, I'm just going to be sharing with you a quick tech-infused lesson that I've created, and it is using first grade science, and we're talking all about insects. So our standard is right here, and we will make observations of living things and their environment using the five senses. So in short, students will use the internet to find interesting facts about insects, and they will write down their findings and collaborate with other classmates to develop a presentation that will be presented with their group to teach the rest of the class about their assigned insect. We have pretty simple instructions. The first one, we will assign each student with a laptop from the cart. Each student will then use the internet to research an interesting fact about their team's insects. I have listed a few websites that students are able to use to find their facts, and they're going to write down any interesting facts on a separate sheet of notebook paper. Lastly, they will collaborate with their group to work together and create a presentation that they will present to the class. Here's an example of a presentation. I used spiders because I did not want to give them any information away on insects. But basically, they will find a really cool picture of their insect, and they will make a fun, colorful, and unique poster that is loaded with all different types of facts that they can share with their classmates. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.